In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to WordPress using the HubSpot CRM WordPress plugin, perfect for 2023. This process is a straightforward way to integrate HubSpot's powerful CRM functionalities into your WordPress site, helping you streamline your marketing and sales efforts without any hassle. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. You can easily find this by searching for HubSpot in your preferred search engine. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Log In. Go ahead and click this to sign into your HubSpot account. If you don't have a HubSpot account yet, you'll need to create one. But don't worry, the sign up process is simple and free for the basic features you'll need for this integration. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home interface. From here, you'll see a variety of options and tools that HubSpot offers, but our focus today will be on the HubSpot CRM WordPress integration. So look for the Apps section in the main menu, which typically appears on the left side or at the top of the screen depending on the layout of your interface. Clicking on Apps will take you to a new page. Now within the Apps section, you're going to search for HubSpot for WordPress. This is the app we need for the integration. HubSpot's app marketplace is brimming with various tools and add-ons, so using the search function can help you find what you're looking for more quickly. Once you locate HubSpot for WordPress, select it to proceed to the next step. With the HubSpot for WordPress app selected, you'll be brought to a page where you can learn more about the app and how it can benefit your site. But right now, the key action here is to click on the Install App button. This will begin the installation process, seamlessly integrating HubSpot's CRM functionalities with your WordPress site. Installation typically takes just a few moments, and once installed, you'll have access to a suite of CRM tools directly from your WordPress dashboard. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected HubSpot to your WordPress site, paving the way for enhanced customer relationship management and streamlined business operations. This integration is an excellent way to tap into HubSpot's robust CRM capabilities while maintaining the user-friendly nature of WordPress. Whether you're looking to capture leads more effectively or enhance your marketing campaigns, this integration sets you up with the tools you need to succeed. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.